Okay, let's dive into a new beverage patent that's tackling a really common problem.
You know, we buy those functional drinks for all the good stuff, like vitamin C, right? But turns out there's a huge gap between what the label says and what you actually get.
And the culprit is heat. Standard pasteurization basically just destroys the good stuff we want most.
So, this new patent completely sidesteps heat with a really clever three-part cold system.
So what's the secret? It's these three key technologies working together.
So, how does this process keep all the good stuff in? All right, let's break it down.
First up, instead of using heat, it uses a cold vacuum to gently pull out nutrients. Next, it wraps delicate herbal oils in tiny flavor shields, locking in that fresh, vibrant aroma.
And finally, a dual gas system pushes out damaging oxygen, the absolute enemy of freshness and nutrients.
So the big question, does it actually work? Well, the data from the patent speaks for itself. Get this, after 6 months on a shelf, the drink retains over 85% of its vitamin C.
That is a huge difference compared to conventional methods where nutrient loss is significant.
And remember that damaging oxygen, it's down to 2 parts per million or less, incredibly low.
And what about the fresh aroma? It keeps over 40% of it, even after 3 months.
And for brands, this is a game changer. They can make robust, provable claims on the bottle.
So what does this all mean for the drinks we see on the shelves?
It means beverages that can actually deliver on their health promises, taste better, and are more sustainable.
What we're seeing is a fundamental shift from hot processing to a smarter, cold, low-oxygen approach.
So you have to wonder, could this tech finally make the promise on the bottle a reality inside it?